You have a few options when welding with a Herman ultrasonic machine. Here, we'll go over a few. In the Programming tab, you'll see in the bottom left screen, there are ultrasonic stop, or what we call weld modes. There's weld time, which you can tell the machine to weld a certain duration. Weld energy, which will put in a certain amount of joules into the weld. Power, which is peak power measured in watts. Depth, RPN, which is a certain amount it will weld the machine downwards after touching the trigger point. Absolute, which is a certain amount it'll weld referenced to the base plate, regardless of the trigger point. And there are a few more complicated welds. We have add depth, which uses all 5 weld modes, stopping at whichever limit it hits soonest, and sequential mode, which we will go over in a separate video.